And then I'll create a series of files named with a fruit underscore, a number underscore, and a lowercase letter. And suddenly I have thousands of files. In fact, I can take the output of ls-1 and pipe it into wc-l, which is a word count, with the -l flag giving me the line count. And I can see I have 8,000 files. Obviously, this has applications beyond file creation, and it's important to be able to recognize when it's being used and when to use it. A lot of what you'll be doing with scripts involves getting something to go somewhere else. Bash has a couple ways of doing this. First, let's look at pipes. Piping takes the result of one command and sends or pipes it into another command. For example, take a look at the result of listing the contents of this directory, which has a lot of things in it from the previous movie. That's a bunch of stuff. It would be nice to take that output and display it page by page. I can do this by piping the output of ls into the more command. And if you're looking for the pipe character, it's usually shift \, the key for which on most keyboards is right above the return key. But your keyboard might vary. And now I can take advantage of Moore's pagination. Redirection, on the other hand, works with a standard input, standard output, and standard error. That is, the input from the command line environment, the output to it, and the errors that arise when something goes wrong. Let's set up a little bit of an example here.